If you're watching this, you might be dealing with a Snapchat device ban, and I'm here to help. Today, I'll share what I did to fix my device ban. Let's get into it. First, quickly talk about what a device ban means. Snapchat may ban a device for various reasons, often related to suspicious activity or violations of their terms of service. It can be frustrating, but don't worry, we can work through this. Start by making sure your Snapchat app is up to date. Go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Snapchat and check if there's an update available. Sometimes simply updating the app can resolve issues. If you're using an Android device, try clearing the app cache. Go to settings, then apps, find Snapchat and select storage, tap clear cache. This can help refresh the app. If you're still banned, your next step is to contact Snapchat support. Head over to the Snapchat support page. And here, fill out the form explaining your situation. Be polite and provide as much detail as possible. They're more likely to help if you do. Like this. And you can choose all the options and simply enter your username, email address, mobile number, and descriptions about how your account got banned and all. Now, if none of this above works, you might have to create a new account. Just remember to use a different email ID and phone number. However, this should be a last resort as it may lose your previous data. And there you go. Those are the steps I took to fix my Snapchat device ban. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.